Good morning everybody, this is Bouncing Fig and today I just happened to bump into this fantastic industrialized area and I've been here before. There's a Nasi Lemak Kukus dish which is actually, well, some people call it the national dish, our Nasi Lemak, and it's really delicious and I want to check it out so that you guys can come over here. It is not a common place, but if you're willing to rough it out, come and follow me.
Turun-temurun lah daripada arwah mak.
Arwah mak dekat daripada mana? Dekat Kuala Lumpur?
Dekat Kuala Lumpur lah.
Kuala Lumpur.
Sebab kita pakai asal Kedah.
Kedah.
Sebab kita pakai dapur kayu masak. Dapur kayu.
Dekat sini ke atau
kat rumah? Masak kat rumah, so datang bawa sini lah. Okay guys, we are gonna try the Nasi Lemak here. They've been around for 50 years. Everyone's super happy coming here for breakfast and I can't wait. The rendang, a little bit on the sweet side, but authentic. You can taste a lot of the chilies. The chili has a very, very fresh note, and it's quite refreshing. It's not very heavy. It's not too oily. So you know that it's in a long time family recipe. Chicken super tender. Definitely not the typical rendang that you eat, which is sometimes a little bit overpowering. I love a bit of squid in my Nasi Lemak. Oh, nice and light. Goes very well with the rice. Beautifully light, not gunky or too much coconut. Loving it.
From morning until now.
From morning until now, eh?
Yeah. We are closed about 11:30.
11:30 dah tutup?
Dah tutup.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh wow. Oh, serious? Is it?
Almost 10 years.
Now we're gonna try the soto, which is actually very flavorful herbal Malay style or Indonesian style soup, and they serve it here as well. So it's part of the family business. So it's a beautiful broth with chunks of compressed rice. And this one here, right here, is the potato bergedil, which is basically a croquette, Asian potato croquette. They will put it on top of the soup. Okay, one of the best bergedils I've tried in the city. I think you gotta come here for the bergedil. And Auntie was so generous, she gave me a whole drumstick. So, oh yeah, that's good. Selalu datang sini?
Sebab sedap.
Sedap. Best eh?